orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly the Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
Fear of injection. It was late at night, and Gattu Chinky had gone to sleep after having dinner. But Mummy was sitting in the kitchen thinking about something. Papa asked her after seeing her so worried. Hey, what happened? Why are you looking so worried?
What to say? And Gattu Chinky have to get routine tetanus injections.
Oh, I understood. That means we will have to see Gattu's dramas again. I don't know whether he will agree to get the injection this time or not.
Exactly. I don't know why he is so scared of injections.
Now whatever happens will be seen in the morning. We will have to get Gattu injected somehow.
Let's see then.
Mummy and Papa go to sleep in worry. Next day in the morning, Mummy gets up early and goes to Gattu Chinky's room to wake them up.
Gattu Chinky, come on, get up. We have to go to the hospital today.
Yes, Mummy, I got up and I am going to brush my teeth.
Good Chinky beta. Gattu, you also get up.
Gattu was lying quietly hiding under the blanket. Actually, he was already awake, but still he was acting as if he was asleep.
Gattu, I know you are awake. Come on, get up quickly.
Mummy removes Gattu's blanket.
Mummy, I am having a lot of pain in my stomach. What? Stomachache? Gattu, I know everything. You are making excuses not to go to the hospital.
No, Mummy, I'm telling the truth. My stomach is hurting a lot.
Gattu, you made the same excuse last time also. Come on, quickly get up and brush your teeth and freshen up. Then I will give you medicine for stomachache.
Okay, Mummy. I am going to the washroom to freshen up.
Wow, you agreed so soon? Come on then, quickly go and freshen up.
Gattu enters the bathroom. On the other hand, Chinky also gets ready, but Gattu hadn't come out yet.
Gattu, what is this? How long will it take you to come out? You are inside from half an hour.
Mummy, the bathroom gate isn't opening. Do one thing. Take only Chinky to the doctor today.
Oh, stop making all these excuses and get out quickly. See, there will be no pain at all in getting the injections.
Chinky also comes from behind and she tells Gattu.
Yes, Gattu, don't delay. Come out quickly. Otherwise, if Papa comes now, you will get in a lot of trouble.
Gattu gets afraid on the mention of Papa's name and opens the gate. But he was feeling more scared of the injection.
Mummy, don't get me injected. Please don't take me with you. I will eat a lot of vegetable and fruits in return. Gattu dear, you will have to get an injection. You will see it won't pain at all. No, Mummy, I don't want to get an injection. Please, Mummy.
After saying this, Gattu starts running away. Chinky and Mummy start trying to catch Gattu.
Gattu, stop.
Gattu, just listen to me.
But Gattu doesn't listen to anyone and quickly goes and hides under his bed.
No. I will not listen to anyone. You all leave me alone at home and go and take Chinky to the hospital. Till then, I will stay here alone but not go to the hospital. Gattu, this is very wrong on your part. Get out quickly. We are getting late. No, Mummy, please, I don't want to go.
Gattu was not ready to listen to anything Mummy and Chinky said. Hearing all this, Papa comes over there. And seeing Gattu under the bed, he says to him, Gattu dear, enough is enough. Now get out quickly. We are getting late.
But Papa...
Gattu, get out quickly. Gattu comes out from under the bed from Papa's fear. But he was still feeling very scared. But now he had no other way out except to go to the hospital. So everyone sits in the car and reaches the hospital. Look, we have reached. Come, let's go inside, kids. Everyone goes inside and sees that at the routine checkup station, a new nurse Didi was sitting over there.
Hello, Gattu Chinky. It is written in my register that today you both have an appointment for routine tetanus injection. Come, both of you. Come and sit inside. Then I will give injections to both of you.
Okay, Didi. Let's go, Gattu. We have to sit there.
But Gattu was completely silent. Nurse Didi also understood after seeing him that he was very scared.
Okay, kids, then who will get the injection first?
When Chinky sees that Gattu was still scared, then she speaks first.
Didi, first you give me the injection.
Okay, come, Chinky.
Chinky comfortably gets the injection given by Nurse Didi without fear.
Very good, Chinky. You got the injection done very well. Here is your toffee.
Thank you, Didi.
Chinky goes out after getting the injection. But now it was time for Gattu to get the injection done.
Gattu, it seems you are very scared of the injections. Yes, Nurse Didi. I don't want to get the injections done. It hurts a lot. I don't like it. Please don't give me the injection. But Gattu, have you not read that comic book on how to become a Superman? What? Which comic book is this? I have not read it till today. Look at this. Here is that comic book. And look what is written in it.
Nurse Didi takes out a comic book from her drawer and starts showing it to Gattu.
What is written in it, Didi?
Nurse Didi opens the comic book and starts showing it to Gattu. And after reading it, she says,
Look at this, Gattu. It is written in it that injections are power shot of Superman. They get their powers from these. Oh yes, that's right. It is really written in it. I don't have this comic book. Then you can take mine. Read it and give it back to me. Wow, really, Didi? It has very good stories of superhero written in it. Yes, Gattu. This is very amazing.
Gattu was reading the comic book very attentively. In such a long time, Nurse Didi gives injection to Gattu. But he doesn't even know.
See? Injections are done. And you don't even know, Gattu. What? It's already done. What else? You also got your superpower shot like this Superman. And with this, you are going to be very strong, Gattu.
Yay! Now I will also become a superhero.
Hearing Gattu's voice, Papa, Mummy and Chinky also come inside. And seeing him so happy, they get surprised. Hey! What happened, Gattu? You look so happy.
Yes, Papa. Look, I got an injection and now I have become a very brave and strong child. And one day, I will become a superhero too.
Wow, this is amazing. Gattu got the injections without any fear.
Yes, Mummy. And now I will get the injections from this Nurse Didi every time. She is very nice and I did not feel any pain.
Yes, Gattu. Come, let's go home now. And you and Chinky got injected. Now I'm going to get ice cream for both of you too.
Yay! I will eat chocolate mint one. And I butterscotch.
And I strawberry.
It's fine. Come on, everybody. Then everyone goes to the ice cream parlor together and enjoys ice cream.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.